Welcome to Naradar Academy. In this video, we are going to do few problems in definite integrals by using reduction formula technique. Okay, so let's see the first problem. Evaluate integral 0 to a x power 4 dx by root of a square minus x square. Okay, so here in the denominator we have a square root of a square minus x square. So for doing this problem, we are going to make a substitution. See, whenever you have 1 minus x square or a square minus x square like that, we can make use of trigonometric functions for substitutions. Okay, then it will be easy for us to do the integration because sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, no? So using that formula, what can you write? Sine square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. In that way, we can take this square root get removed. Okay, so whenever you have a square minus x square like that, you make the substitution x is equal to either a sine theta or cos theta. Both the things you can take parallelly. Okay, both of them will give you the answer quickly. So here I am taking x is equal to a sine theta. So whenever you have the substitution, you have to find what is dx. So if you differentiate this expression, dx will be what? A into differentiation of sine theta is cos theta d theta, right? So okay, so for x I have found out the value. I have substituted the value x equal to a sine theta, and dx the value is a cos theta d theta. Then what about the limits? When x is equal to 0, what happens here? A sine theta equal to 0. When will you get 0 for sine? When theta equal to 0. Okay, so when x is equal to 0, theta is also equal to 0. And when x is equal to a, upper limit is a, no? So when x is equal to a, what happens here? A sine theta equal to a. That means sine theta equal to 1. Sine theta is 1 only when theta equal to pi by 2. Okay, so theta varies from 0 to pi by 2. So these are the things when you make substitution for integration. All these three things should be done. First one is substitution for x, next one is what is dx, and then what is the limit, because here in the question they have given the limits for x. Now I have changed the variable of integration from x to theta, so the limits should also be changed for theta also, right? Okay, so the given integral will become I equal to integral theta varies from 0 to pi by 2 x power 4, no? So what will be the value here? A power 4 sine power 4 theta divided by root of a square minus, instead of x square I am putting a square sine square theta into, instead of dx what should you substitute? A cos theta d theta. Now let's simplify this. So a power 4 sine power 4 theta divided by, here you can take a square outside, so it will be a square into 1 minus sine square theta. This a cos theta is kept as it is. Okay, now 1 minus sine square theta is what? Cos square theta. So this is square root of a square cos square theta. When you take it out of the square root, it will be simply a cos theta. So this a cos theta and this a cos theta get cancelled. So finally you are getting I is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 a power 4 sine power 4 theta d theta. So you take a power 4 outside. So this is integration of sine power 4 theta d theta. For this I am going to apply the reduction formula. So here n equal to 4. 4 means what? Even number. So for integration 0 to pi by 2 sine power nx is equal, dx is equal to n minus 1, n minus 3, n minus 5 etc. up to 1 by n minus 2 etc. up to 2 into pi by 2 when n is a even number. So this is the reduction formula for sine power n when n is an even number. Already I have posted one video for derivation of reduction formulas for all trigonometric functions. Okay, you can refer that video also for better clarification. But this is the formula I am going to use it here. Here n value is equal to 4. In the numerator, you start from 3, reduce the index 2 by 2. Denominator you start with 4, reduce 2 by 2. And you have to proceed until you get 1 by 2 as the last term. So numerator is 3 into 1, denominator is 4 into 2. Yes, I obtained 1 by 2. So that's enough. After getting 1 by 2, you have to multiply this result by pi by 2. That is the formula here. So simplify this term. So what will you get? I is equal to 3 pi a power 4 by 16. Okay, then next problem. Evaluate integral 0 to infinity dx by 1 plus x square the whole power 4. So let me take I is equal to the given integral. See, here you have 1 plus x square. In the previous problem you have minus, no, a square minus x square. Whenever you have subtraction, there you can take x is equal to either sine theta or cos theta. Both the things will work together. When you have plus 1 plus x square, tan theta will be the best choice. So let us take x is equal to tan theta. So what will be dx? Differentiation of tan theta is what? Secant square theta d theta. Then in the same way you have to change the limits also. X is equal to 0 implies tan theta equal to 0. For theta equal to 0 only, tan theta will become 0, isn't it? So theta is equal to 0. And when x equal to infinity, upper limit is infinity given in the problem, tan theta equal to infinity. When will you get infinity for tan function? Only at pi by 2, isn't it? So here x varies from 0 to infinity. So theta varies from 0 to pi by 2. So the given integral I equal to integral theta equal to 0 to pi by 2. Instead of dx, what should you substitute? Secant square theta d theta. So these are the three steps are important for changing the variable of integration. One is what is the substitution, next one is what is the value of dx, the next one is what is the value of theta. Okay, substitute dx value secant square theta d theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta the whole power 4. But what is 1 plus tan square theta? Secant square theta. So in the numerator it is simply secant square theta d theta. In the denominator it is secant square theta the whole power 4. So it will be secant power 8 theta in the denominator. So after cancelling, I am getting 1 by secant power 6 theta d theta. This is nothing but cos theta power 6 d theta. For sin theta and cos theta, both the reduction formulas are same. Okay, here the index is again the power is even. So the same formula what I have applied in the previous problem, the same formula will come here. For both sin function and cos function, the reduction formula is the same. Okay, so start with 5 in the numerator. Okay, and go up to 1, and the denominator start from 6 and go up to 2. Okay, so 5 into 3 into 1 by 6 into 4 into 2 into multiplied by pi by 2. So the answer is 5 pi by 32. Okay, then next problem. Evaluate integral 0 to pi by 4 cos 2 theta power 3 by 2 into cos theta d theta. Right? So let I be the given integral. Here this is 2 theta, this is in terms of theta. So let us change everything in terms of theta. Okay, what is the formula for cos 2 theta? 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So let me write it as 1 minus 2 sin square theta into cos theta. See, cos 2 theta, you have three different formulas. Whichever formula you are thorough with, that you can apply. Whatever formula you do, you will get the same answer only. So here I am taking 1 minus 2 sin square theta the whole power 3 by 2 into cos theta d theta. Let me take here, see I am having 2 sin square theta, no? So if this will reduce to single sin t function, it will be easy for me to do the calculation. So here it is root 2 sin theta the whole square, no? So that root 2 sin theta I am taking it as sin t. So that this will reduce to a finer form. Okay, so root 2 sin theta I am taking it as sin t. So if you differentiate, what will happen? Root 2 cos theta d theta equal to cos t dt. So instead of this cos theta d theta, what you are going to substitute? Cos t into dt by 1 by root 2. Next, what about the limits? Theta varies from 0 to pi by 4 given in the question. So when theta equal to 0, what happens here? Sin t is also equal to 0. That means t equal to 0. When theta equal to pi by 4, what happens here? Root 2 into sin pi by 4 equal to sin t. Sin pi by 4 is what? 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 get cancelled. So sin t becomes 1. When will you get 1 for sin theta? Only for pi by 2. So t varies from 0 to pi by 2. Now let us make use of all these things in the given integral. I equal to integral t varies from 0 to pi by 2, 1 minus, instead of this 2 sin square theta, what can I substitute? Sin square t the whole power 3 by 2. Instead of this cos theta d theta, I can substitute 1 by root 2 cos t dt. That's all. You take this 1 by root 2 outside. So here 1 minus sin square t is what? Cos square t. So that cos square t and power 3 by 2. 2 get cancelled. So it will be simply cos cube t. One more cos t is here. So it will be what? Cos power 4t dt. Again the same type integration of cos power n theta, where n is a even number. So you start from 3 in the numerator and 4 in the denominator. Reduce the numbers 2 by 2 and you have to end at 1 by 2, isn't it? So 3 into 1 by 4 into 2 multiplied by pi by 2. So the answer is 3 pi by 16 root 2. Okay. Then next problem. Evaluate integral 0 to 1 x square into 1 minus x square the whole power 3 by 2 into dx. Okay, let I be the given integral. So here it is 1 minus x square only, no? So as usual we can take either x is equal to cos theta or sin theta. So let me take x equal to sin theta here. So that implies dx equal to cos theta d theta. And taking limits, here x varies from 0 to 1, no? So if you substitute it here, we can clearly get theta varies from 0 to pi by 2. So I equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 sin square theta into 1 minus sin square theta the whole power 3 by 2 into, instead of dx you put cos theta d theta. So this is sin square theta, keep it as it is. This will be what? Cos square theta and that square, and this 3 by 2 get cancelled. So it will be what? Cos cube theta into cos theta d theta. So this is integral 0 to pi by 2 sin square theta into cos theta power 4 d theta. So this is product form, no? So sin theta and cos theta powers are there. So for this also we have reduction formula. So see here, both the powers of sin and cos are all even. Okay, see, these are the formula for integral sin power p into cos power q theta. So when p is odd number, that is power of sin is odd number, this formula is used. When p is an even number and q is an odd number, this formula is used. When both p, q are even, this formula is to be used. So I am going to make use of this formula for this particular problem. So you have to start with p, reduce p minus 1, p minus 3, p minus 5 in the numerator. Denominator you start with p plus q, reduce 2 by 2. And after you are getting up to 1 by q plus 2, you start with q index. Okay. In the same way I have done here. Here the power of sin is 2. So you have to, in the numerator, where you have to start? That is 1, right? 1 by denominator, you have to start with p plus q. 2 plus 4 is what? 6. So 1 by 6. Then here this 4 you know. So start from 3. 3 into 1 divided by denominator, what it will be? 4 into 2 into pi by 2. So the answer is what? Pi by 32. Okay. Then next problem. Evaluate integral 0 to pi by 2 cos cube x into cos 2x dx. Here you see this cube, we don't have any problem, but this cos 2x has to be changed. Then only we can do the integration. So instead of cos 2x, I am writing it as cos square x minus sin square x. Right? So multiply, you will get 2 integral cos power 5x minus sin square x cos cube x dx. So here, this is integration of cos power 5x with the 5 as an odd number, isn't it? So you have to start from 4 in the numerator, and denominator you have to start from 5, reduce the numbers 2 by 2 until you get till 2 by 3. Okay, so 4 into 2 by 5 into 3. Here sin square into cos cube. So this is an even function and this is an odd function. So what will happen? You start with this 2. Okay, that is 1 in the numerator, and the denominator 3 plus 2 5. And then here this 3 is there, no? Start with 2 in the numerator and 3 in the denominator. 2 by 3 is the last factor. Okay, so 8 by 15 minus 2 by 15 equal to what? 2 by 5. Then one more problem. Evaluate integral 0 to pi by 6 sin square 6 theta into cos power 6 3 theta d theta. See here, 6 theta is there and 3 theta is there. First let us try to change both of them into same function of theta. So here sin 2 theta formula is 2 sin theta cos theta. So sin 6 theta can be written as 2 sin 3 theta into cos 3 theta. So square is there, no? So the whole square. So it will be what? 4 into sin square 3 theta cos square 3 theta, right, into cos power 6 3 theta. Already here 6 is there. Here also on power 2. So total it will be what? Power 8. So sin square 3 theta into cos power 8 3 theta, right, into d theta. Now as it is we cannot do, because here it is d theta but here it is 3 theta, no? So let me change 3 theta equal to t. So 3 theta equal to t means what? D theta equal to 1 by 3 into dt, and t varies from 0 to pi by 2. Okay, let us make the substitution. So integral 0 to pi by 2 sin square t cos power 8t into 1 by 3 dt. You take 1 by 3 outside. It's simply what? Sin square t into cos power 8t dt. Now we apply the reduction formula. Both are even integers. For this 2, 1 by 2 plus 8 what? 10. That's all. And then for this 8 what? 7531 by 8642 into pi by 2. So the final answer is 7 pi by 384. Okay, that's all. Thank you.